Roman Republic was a type of government which was existed from 509 to 27 BC. Before its forming the government of republics, there was the king of the Etruscans who ruled over the Romans over many years. But when the time came, peoples of the Roman republics actually revolted against the kings and chose the republican government, or a system, a type of government which had the representatives from the general peoples. So the Roman Republic was a great period of the time of that time, because it played great and vital roles during the time of the Roman period.